Let's see what's up, man. My car got 143,000 miles on it now, man. When I first bought it, only had 86. So, for those who want to know what a 2010 Camaro sound like after 100 and something plus miles, you know, I consider myself as being on time with my maintenance, and I get my oil changed and everything on time. But anyway, it's gonna be the sound of it. 143. Let's see. It's always loud when I start it up, but it'll quiet down in a minute. Once again, I got 143K on here, so this is it, man. As you see, it's running a little loud. I don't know what that noise is. I'm gonna get that checked out, but overall, it still runs pretty good, though. You know, I have to give it to them. You know, Camaros, they did a good job. You know what I'm saying? So, yeah. Gas smell clean.